This occasion we witness today is the destiny of two souls. There's not a force in the universe that could have kept Jonathan and Amanda apart, and there's nothing they could have done to come together any sooner. Each of them had to live their lives to this point, and each and every day of their lives are stepping stones that have led to this exact moment in time. It's no accident, it's destiny. All destiny is an agreement of souls fulfilled in life. And so now's the time for Jonathan and Amanda to fulfill their destiny.